Маршлак! Маршлак! Турция! О, шиши чао, шиши чао, шиши чао, чао, чао! Шиминета! Къде бюджета? Байрам в Турция!
Well, the budget essentially is one of the same. If you look at most of the things that were removed, the other things that were added, it doesn't change the fundamental picture that the government is funding its own organs that are, their main idea is to suppress journalism, to suppress students, to suppress protests, and we believe that unless the government is brought down, there won't be any significant change. I believe that the provocators, the people who are causing violence, were a very small minority of people who actually attended. And personally, no, I'm not afraid, but I think that it's inevitable in such large protests, as you can see right now.
We don't want to hear only words. This is populism. We don't want to hear words. We are tired of hearing words.
I'm protesting so that corrupted government can fall down. I want Peevski and Borisov, they need to leave, and they need to leave the country prosper. It's about money, budget and principles. The people are fed up with all this bullshit, and we want our money back. We don't want the money in the pockets of Borisov and Peevski.
We are sick of the government, of the bad attitude from the people in the government towards the people of Bulgaria, and we want to have them in jail. And I want to be here, to work here, to have a family, have kids in the future, and I want to do it in a good country with good politicians that think about the people.
I grew up in this situation where corruption is a normal thing. I think that the people are now pissed and they would like to make a change. I think going to protest is better than doing nothing.
Ами, поздравявам ги, всеки е длъжен да изрази своите възгледи, своите пристрастия, всеки има право на глас. Аз смятам, че ние сме наистина демократична страна и всеки има право на избор.
Преди 35 години ние бяхме такива. На техните години. Въпросът, че нищо не се промени. Това е. Сега на тях разчитаме.
I'm here because I want to change our country, because there are so many problems, and I'm so pissed off of everything that everyone is talking about. This is not a problem. This is not a problem. Let's talk about other problems. And I think that everything, like small things, they ruin the biggest.
Буквално от както се помня с моите родители, последствие сама, протестирам за по-добро бъдеще за себе си, сега вече протестирам за по-добро бъдеще за детето си. Живеех в чужбина, върнах се в България с надеждата, че нещата отиват на добре и се променят, но очевидно не е така, не е за добро.
Европейските армии отидат в Украйна и помогнат украинския народ, ще дигне и европейското знаме. бандитите, които грабят.
Това е прекалено.
Те грабиха в левове,
в момента вадим водно урадие.
сега ще грабят в евро.
Нещо, за да може след това, когато излезе Бойко.
Тук някъде ще има сега един екран.
Оставката не само в София, по цялата страна. Обадете се на вашите депутати от БСП и от ИТН и им кажете утре, когато гласуват, когато натискат копчето в залата, да ви чуят, защото вие сте ги сложили в парламента, вие им плащате заплатите и не трябва да ви чуят. За това, че казахме заедно оставка. Утре се надяваме